Welcome to the 7th video in this series, where I'll be revealing another set of 100 styles in MidJourney covering numbers 600 to 699. As in previous videos, I'm keeping it simple, a single dot as the prompt, combined with some parameters and the style number. This approach allows the style to shine on their own, free from any text-driven influence. For this video, each style is represented by a number from 600 to 699, and I've given them some fun names to spark your imagination. Keep in mind that these names don't correspond to actual MidJourney keywords. The aspect ratio is still set to 16:9, ensuring a clean and consistent look on YouTube. And I'm using a fixed seed of 555 to maintain consistency. This means the differences you see are entirely due to the style changes. For a different take, check out my YouTube shorts where I've displayed the same styles without a fixed seed. You can find those in the shorts section or via the link in the description. Now let's explore the next 100 styles. another 100 styles explored. I hope this video gave you some fresh ideas. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll never miss an update. Thanks for joining me, see you next time.